Hello everyone, welcome to the channel You Maths Tube. We'll solve two word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Liam bought items that costed $6 each and sold the same items with a price of $8 each. If he sells 35 items, what was the total profit? What was the profit per item? We know profit equals selling price minus buying cost. Here the price of each item is $8 and the cost of each item is $6. So $8 minus $6 is the amount of profit per item. So profit per item equals $2. $8 minus $6 equals $2. But he sold 35 items. So total profit will be profit per item, which is $2 times 35, which gives us total amount of $70. So total profit is $70. This is the end of problem number 1. Let us move to the next problem, which is problem number 2. Problem number 2. Liz bought 18 items that costed $90 and sold the same items with a price of $108. What was the total profit and what was the profit per item? Here we can see the total price of 18 items is $108 and the total cost of the same items is $90. So 108 minus $90 is the total amount of profit here. So total profit equals 108 minus $90, which gives us $18. So this is the total profit. So profit per item is total profit, which is 18 divided by number of items, which is 18. So 18 divided by 18 gives us $1. So profit per item is $1. This is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in coming videos. Thank you.